I am now and will always be the girl who was set on fire and the woman that spoke out about it.
Jessica Cameron bravely stood before a
Public
state Supreme
places
Court
and
room
events.
to face her attacker. It was December of 2018, a week before Christmas, when Jonathan White lured her outside the Tim Hortons on Niagara Street in Tonawanda, where she worked, doused her with gasoline, and set her on fire.
I will forever be handicapped and have to deal with the aftermath from this event.
Cameron, disfigured and missing parts of her hands, described how the cowardly act has changed her life, the life of her family, and young children forever.
And that his daughter was gone from our lives. Something that I couldn't give an explanation for because my sweet little boy doesn't need to know the true horrors.
Cameron had to relearn how to breathe, eat, and drink. She spoke about being on fire for 78 seconds. Judge Mark Montour created a powerful moment, pointing to a wall clock and having the sound of silence rule his courtroom for 78 seconds.
For 78 seconds. Ms. Cameron Byrne.
During White's trial, he claimed he was trying to kill himself and accidentally set Cameron on fire. At his sentencing, he still denied he was trying to end her life.
And I do feel guilty for her injuries, and I am responsible, and I haven't shied away from admitting that responsibility. But the situation that took place has been blown out of proportion and misconstrued in every way possible.
But Judge Montour didn't buy a word of it, instead sentencing White to the maximum for attempted murder and assault, 25 years in prison.
You know, I thank God that he doesn't have the life on the end of it, because if he did have the life on the end of it, that would have mean that she would have died. And we're obviously fortunate that she didn't die here.
Erie County District Attorney John Flynn pointing out White's failure to take responsibility, saying it's a total lie. White claims the incident was a mistake.
And his jacket had no signs of gasoline being dumped on his jacket. The back of his jacket caught on fire. That was the only part of his jacket that caught on fire.
Jessica Cameron stood courageously at Flynn's news conference, speaking profoundly, and called the sentencing poetic justice.
I consider it like a phoenix that burns and rises from the ashes again, new and better than before. This has cleansed every toxic.
Jessica Cameron says she is hoping her tragedy can help others escape domestic violence. She says she's awestruck by the outpouring of support she's received from the community, and even joked at the news conference saying in her mind she was still just a Tim Hortons employee that was making your coffees wrong in the morning. And also White's attorney said he will be appealing this case.
It's hard, I think, for pretty much anyone to even fathom how something like this, someone could do this to another person.
Absolutely, Keith. And she was so profound in the remarkable statement she made today. All of us from the media walked away just amazed at what she was able to do and keep that courage up for everyone.
All right, Eileen, thanks for the story tonight. Also, we're